Okay, so today's project is going to be an additional outdoor brooder slash grow out box. We already have one in the large chicken coop area that you may have seen in some of my other videos. But what I've done here, I've got some 2x2 lumber. I get it from a local guy. I have him cut it true size, so it actually is 2 inches by 2 inches. I do that with all my lumber, and I've used our nice little Makita saw that we have there to measure and cut 4 pieces that are 72 inches or 6 foot and 10 pieces that are 30 inches. Those will be put together to make some framework, and then have some hardware cloth stapled onto it, and we'll check back in a bit when it's done and let you see. Alright, so we have the brooder slash grower box finished. Never mind the little boy in there visiting with the chickens. But it's all finished up, and we got some chickies in there, and we got lids on it that are nice and easy to lift up, plus a door down there. We reused a lot of stuff. All of these frameworks you see with the little door, and this here that lifts, and the one on the other side, those all came from one of those prefab rabbit hutch slash chicken coop type deals. Those things don't hold up very well in the weather, we found out, so we've been reutilizing as much of the pieces from them as we can.